If you're frustrated with AutoCAD's dimension tools but still need precise control, then DIMROTATED is your secret weapon. DIMROTATED isn't in the AutoCAD manual or offered in dimensions options anymore, but it's a lifesaver for tricky dimensions. Imagine having complete control over your dimension angles. No more fighting with dim aligned. So to show you what I mean, let's say I'm trying to get this dimension. You would assume you could use the dim aligned command, right? Well, let's see what we get. Go to the dimensions panel and select your points. As you can see, the dimension obviously comes in at the wrong angle. If you want an easy way to get the dimension at the correct angle, so let's try DIMROTATED. Here's how it works. Type DIMROTATED in the command line and hit enter. Next, select your first and second extension line origins. Now, specify the rotation angle for your dimension line. Finally, place your dimension text exactly where you need it. Why use DIMROTATED? It lets you manually set the angle, perfect for staggered or awkwardly angled objects. Whether you're drafting complex mechanical parts or detailed architectural plans, DIMROTATED ensures your dimensions look clean and professional. So, next time you're wrestling with AutoCAD dimensions, remember the hidden power of the DIMROTATED command. Give it a try and take control of your drawings like a pro. If you found this tip useful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more AutoCAD secrets. Until next time, happy designing!